If you want to get rid of your belly fat at home, then this video is definitely for you because I'll show you 5 simple exercises to get a flat stomach just in a month from home. The 5th exercise is a game changer. So watch the video till the end. Let's go. Number 1. Ab crunches. Ab crunches are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the abdominal muscles. The key working muscle in the classic variation is the rectus abdominis. Variations of the exercise, for example bicycle crunches, allow you to engage the oblique and transverse abdominal muscles, and reverse crunches specifically pump up the lower part of the abs. Ab crunches activate the rectus abdominis and transverse abdominis muscles, which helps strengthen and grow them. As a result of regular crunch practice, you will soon notice how your abs become more beautiful and shredded. During crunches, a large number of muscles are activated, which requires additional calorie expenditure. This helps increase overall energy expenditure and promotes the loss of excess fat. How to do a classic ab crunch correctly. Lying on your back, legs bent at the knees and firmly on the floor. By activating your abdominal muscles, smoothly rise up 10 to 15 centimeters, while simultaneously rounding your back and approaching towards your knees. Hold in this position for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly lower your body. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Number 2. Plank. The plank is a fairly simple but incredibly effective exercise. When performing the plank, all muscle groups are involved. It perfectly works both the external and internal muscles. The plank involves a static exercise in a lying position. Its peculiarity is not to do a large number of repetitions. The important thing here is to observe the duration of execution. This way you can burn about 20 kilocalories in 1 minute. The plank engages the abdominal muscles, back muscles, glutes, calves, and arm muscles. This improves posture, increases endurance, and maintains muscle tone. The plank is very useful for a sedentary lifestyle, due to which a person develops chronic pain in the lower back. This is due to weak core muscles. This exercise will help you strengthen the necessary muscle groups. How to do a classic plank correctly. Take a position lying on your elbows. The elbows should be placed vertically and strictly at right angles under the shoulders. The body from your head to heels should form a straight line. Keep your legs straight and tense. Perform 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Number 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climber is an exercise aimed at working the muscles of the lower body and abs, as well as burning subcutaneous fat. The main load in this exercise is placed on the abdominal muscles, buttocks, thighs, and lower legs. The element is performed while lying on straight arms, which means that the impact is on the triceps and partly on the back muscles. In addition to muscle fibers, ligaments and tendons throughout the body are also strengthened. Mountain climbers work large muscles, including the quadriceps and glutes. Thanks to this, the athlete burns a large number of kilocalories, which helps to effectively get rid of extra pounds. Weight loss is also facilitated by the fast pace of exercise, which affects the acceleration of metabolic processes in the body. How to do mountain climbers correctly. Lower yourself into a plank position with your arms straight. Tighten your core muscles. Pull your knee sharply towards your stomach. With the same quick movement, take your leg back to the starting position and at the same time pull the opposite knee towards you. Perform 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Number 4. Jumping jacks. Jumping jack is an aerobic exercise that is used in fat-burning workouts. The exercise uses the whole body and raises your heart rate fairly quickly. It allows you to achieve a training effect without much effort, without equipment, and with minimal technical skills. Jumping jacks work the glutes, quads, and hip flexors. Jumping jacks also work the abdominal and shoulder muscles. Exercise tones muscles, strengthens joints, improves coordination of movements, and also increases the body's endurance. Jumping jacks help you increase your calorie burn and lose weight. Jumping jacks help you get rid of 10 kilocalories per minute or more if you jump at a fast pace and make amplitude movements with your arms. How to do jumping jacks correctly. Starting position. Legs stand together, arms down. The stomach is tense, the back is straight. As you inhale, make a jump with your legs spread to the sides at a level greater than shoulder width, and at the same time raising your arms above your head. Try to move your arms and legs in sync. Return through the jump to the starting position and repeat the movements. Perform 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees are considered one of the most effective exercises for burning fat. In addition, burpees involve working a large number of muscles of various groups: pectoral, back, deltoids, biceps, triceps, glutes, thighs, calves, and others. Regular exercise will help strengthen and develop muscles throughout the body. Burpee is considered an extremely intense exercise that helps boost your metabolism. Thanks to this, the body begins to burn more kilocalories, which has a positive effect on the weight loss process. Burpees are so effective at burning fat because they are challenging exercises. In fact, these are 3 movements collected into one and performed at a high tempo. Burpees involve moving from push-ups to squats and to jumping and then again to squats and push-ups. How to do burpees correctly. Place your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself down while squatting. Next, with a sharp movement, push off the floor with your hands, moving to a plank position and perform a push-up. Then jump with your feet to your hands and jump vertically, raising your arms above your head. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.